In this After Effects tutorial, I will show you how to make a speed effect in space. First, we create a new composition. We can create a 10-second image in 1920 by 1080 size. I click the OK button. Now I am going to create a new solid. I click the New button. I choose the solid option and I click the OK button. Here this can be white color. Now we need to add an effect. I open the effects panel. If you don't see this panel, make sure the effects option at the bottom of the window is checked. I type CC star in the effects panel and drag the effect called CC star burst onto the solid layer I just created. So we will add the stars. The first value we need to change here is this. I changed the value from 100 to 500 in the FX control panel. And so we move the stars a little further from each other. And then we add the echo effect. I drag the echo effect over the solid layer and change the echo value to minus 0.001. I also change the number of echoes value just below it to 60 instead of 1. We will try to move forward from the point we are in and we will use the speed value for this. Our priority speed value is 0. 0, which means we stop. I click the icon to the left of 0 and create a keyframe. In order to see the keyframes on the timeline, we press the letter U from the keyboard. Therefore, it only shows us the features with keyframe. When I move the timeline a little further and set the speed value to 5, a movement will be achieved as you can see. While doing this, it may tire your computer a little while watching the preview. I go a little further. I will create a new keyframe with the exciting settings. For this, I click on the little icon and I move a little further and change the value of 5 to 0. The movement that will start from 0, the movement will continue and then it will end by reaching 0. This was our intention. We can also select all and press F9 from the keyboard. Thus, we will soften the keyframes a little more. And in this way, we provide the feeling of speed effect, the feeling of going in space. It is possible to use it in any animated project, not necessarily in space-themed scenarios. In this video, I showed you how to make the speed effect with After Effects. I hope it was useful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.